Okay, how do we record our targets? Way in advance. Anybody can have a target after. So how did we get our upside target of 863? All right. Well, first we have what? We figure out our swing magnitude factor. All right. So right here, the swing magnitude factor this morning was how many points? 203, right? 203 points. Well, we know the market's going to move. Now, here's the big thing. Anybody can figure out, I can show you in 5 minutes how to figure out the swing magnitude for each day. That's easy. The problem is, how do you know whether it's going to go down 203 or up 203, right? Right, gang? We don't know, but we shouldn't care. If the report is bullish, what do you think's going to happen to this resistance at 640? Control. It's going to break. Now, if it breaks, we should see it 203 points higher. Now, you're going to like the little dessert that I threw on the menu. So let's add 203 to 640, right? $203 to 640 is 843, right? Well, here's another problem. So shouldn't your target be 843? Why did I make it 863? Little sneaky. Let's go to the bigger time frame chart. You should always be looking at bigger time frames. This is a 30-minute chart, so let's make it the 15 that we normally follow. This is for the Crable, the 10 o'clock breakout. All right. Does everybody see here the previous resistance at 845? Right here, the high was 45, 844, right? What do you think would happen, Randy, if you were short and the market's going through 844? Would you have a buy stop there? How many traders who are short would be trapped if it broke 844? Right, guys? So don't you think it'd go 20 points higher? Everybody's going to be buying on the stop out, right? Making the market go higher. So we'll just sit and grab an extra 19 points. And that's where I got. So 44 was the swing magnitude, right? Factor level, right? 43, right? But if it broke this, so there's nothing wrong with taking one off at 844, but allowing for the stops to be hit and saying, we'll get another 20 points out of this. So we'll get out our final target. We'll assume those big stops will be hit, and there were big stops up there. Will give us our final target for today of 863. So then look what happened. Boom, boom, boom. And it goes crazy. All right. Now you say, well, why don't I have more? Well, I ran out of contracts. And remember this, guys. Here, we're going to get new clients coming in Monday, guaranteed. When they see this, they say this guy's really good, and we've been doing it since 2006. Here's the problem: you're going to see our targets are so accurate that you're going to want to bet the ranch on every trade, right? Any of you in the room ever happened to it when you started? I know you started. because you see how good it is and say, why am I going to only do 2 contracts? I'll do 10. And that the time we're wrong, you're going to take such a big loss, you blow out your account. You have to stay within your account size. You can't overextend your leverage. Are there any questions about this? Do you guys understand it? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Now, Marco, did you get some of this? Did you get your target, Marco? Jerry did. Excellent. That's all I need. All right, guys. Here. There you go. All right. Thank you. Let me close this video. I'm going to post this video so you get to understand. And now it works just the opposite on the downside. If the market broke support, where was your support? Let's. I also was planning on a downside breakout. I'm not stupid. If we broke 515, remember down here 510. Good job, Bill. If we broke 515, well, then where would our downside target have been? 387, right? If we broke this low and that support, there was our downside target. So it's good to have the targets in advance, not during your trade. Don't do any analyzing during the trade. Thank you.
Thanks, guys, for watching this video. Please subscribe and like us, and we'll produce more videos like this. This is just an example taken live from our trading room on how we do our setups, how we look for really proven opportunities here that have been working for the last 25 years. We actually started and opened this business to the public in 2006. So for a trial, why don't you check us out? See how well our clients who've taken our course are doing. And once you see that, I think you'd want to sign up for the trading class. This really works. There's a lot of hype out there, but we really back everything up with examples, and you could see for yourself. So catch you in the next video, guys. Thank you.